Thanks so much for staying with us. Now, across the Caribbean, we are experiencing cloudy conditions across the center of the basin. We also have some isolated shower and thunderstorm activity across the region. Although there is high pressure dominating most of the Caribbean, we still have that frontal system north of the area, and it does extend the prefrontal trough that does affect sections of the northern portion of the basin, particularly across Hispaniola and Puerto Rico. There are clouds and showers, and there are also some thunderstorms affecting the area, the general area, as a result of this the presence of this system. Now, we do also have clouds that have been developing in the afternoons across Cuba and across Jamaica, because there is still that moisture apparent across the area. We still have warm temperatures in the afternoons, helping to generate that daytime convection and those afternoon showers and thunderstorms. The forecast for tonight is for fair skies. We expect temperatures to drop to about 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Expect 5-knot winds on both coasts. In the morning tomorrow, it's generally sunny across the island, while for the afternoon, partly cloudy conditions mainly across the west. There are also isolated showers expected across the inland areas. The temperatures are reaching 33 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Partly cloudy conditions are across most of the southeast tomorrow. We're expecting partly cloudy conditions with some isolated showers across Mandeville, also Savannah, Lamar and Negril. Across the north, we do have increased clouds, especially in the afternoons across Brownstown, but particularly for St. Ansby, Ocho Rios and Port Maria, we are expecting afternoon clouds and showers with some possible thunderstorms as well. Elsewhere, look for partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions. A few showers are likely in the afternoon on Friday as well as on Saturday and Sunday. For the marine forecast, easterlies are at 10 to 15 knots on the north coast tomorrow. We're expecting the wave heights to be between 1 and 1.5 meters. While for the south coast, the winds are out of the east-northeast, also at 10 to 15 knots, with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. For offshore areas, east-northeasterlies are at 10 to 15 knots, wave heights 1 to 1.5 meters. Now, the outlook has the winds picking up to 20 knots on Friday. The winds turn east-southeasterly also at 20 knots on Saturday, but shift back from the east on Sunday. The sun set in Kingston tomorrow, 6:27, 6:30 in Mandeville, 6:33 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.